We are here on the 6th floor, taking you to see the operating room a bit. We'll get the change though. Come. The operating room area.
Right. And you will see that we have a full, we will call that standard operation theater. We have totally 10 operation room in this department, and this is a hospital-based operation room. It's not a small operation theater. So we can take care of the major operation, multi-procedure operation, complicated surgery. All.
Before we go inside, I'll show you the list of the doctor first. Come. Here, so you will see all the name. Show doctor. Before we go to the operating room, Kun Clear will show us what you call that, the holding room.
Yes.
Okay, let's see. This holding room is the room before you go into the operating room in case you need to talk to the doctor or just preparation actually. Welcome, let's go see your OR. Wow, this is huge. So in this room, at least there will be your doctor and another 2 nurses
Yes.
during the operation. Okay, and this is the recovery room where we will take the patient to recover for about 1 or 2 hours after the operation. After the operation, before bring you back to the 5th floor, the PPSI residences. This is the whole process of the operation. So, are you ready to be more beautiful? See you next clip. Bye.